Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a Taylor diagram using OriginPro apps. In this video, I'll show you how to visualize your data using a Taylor diagram. It is a useful tool for comparing model predictions against observation. I've searched many online platforms, but I found that the easiest way to plot a Taylor diagram is right here in OriginPro. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain what a Taylor diagram is. A Taylor diagram graphically represents the relationship between observed data and model predictions. It compares three key statistics: the correlation coefficient, the standard deviation, and the root mean square error. This is helpful when you want to evaluate how well different models are performing. We need to make sure the Taylor diagram app is installed in OriginPro. You can easily download this app from Origin Labs App Center. Here's how you can do it. Click on Add Apps. On search box, type Taylor diagram and enter. Here you see the Taylor diagram app is already installed. Click it in download and then install. After installation is complete, you will find the Taylor diagram logo here. Now that we have the Taylor diagram app installed, let's move on to the preparing data. In my case, I have a column which has observed and others are the prediction value of different models. Now copy those column names and paste it here on OriginPro worksheet. Okay, then again go to the Excel file, copy this value and paste it here starting from 1. Now we have the data for creating a Taylor diagram. Now click on Taylor diagram apps. For reference data, click here and then select observed. Click here again. For test data, select models data. Click here. If you want to add labels for RMS concentric circle, then click here. Either you can uncheck it. You can change thickness level of the reference line by clicking I prefer 2. Okay, now generate the Taylor diagram. Here is the Taylor diagram which is generated, but it is not look good, so I need to customize it according to my satisfaction. Delete it. I want to make it in parallel, so double click on it, format. Here it is perpendicular, make it parallel, apply. Okay, now you see it is in parallel. I also want to change this RMS concentric circle in dash line, so double click on it, line, style, dot. You can also change the points. I need 1, apply. Okay, so you see the RMS concentric circle is looked like this. Now I want to create this legend as categorical, so minimize it, go to Taylor diagram data, find where is dataset identifier column. See, this is dataset identifier column. Right click and set as categorical. Okay, minimize it. Again go to graph, double click on the symbol and check custom construction, change shape, more, column J dataset identifier, click OK. Okay. Now I can change this individual symbol. Now find those prediction below and change it. Double click. Reduce size so that you can easily identify this model. If you double click on it, then you will find this will present here, and you can change its symbol from here. Okay. Now click on all the models, then I will show you how you can change it. Okay. Now all models are here. Now you can change this symbol. Click on it, go to symbol, and choose this symbol according to your style. You can also change the symbol from here. Also you can fill color. Now click OK. Here you see the different colors symbol is present. If you do not want to see this models name present here, then just hide it. Click on it, hide. Okay. Now I want to update my legend categorical values. Apply. Okay. Now you see my models name are present, but I do not these things. So double click on it and delete, select and delete. Okay. You can customize your font if you want. Double click on reference. Okay. If you want to add RMSE value, then click add text, type the title, add text, I want to add RMSE value starting from 0.2. This is 0.2. Change font. This is 0.4. You can see it from here. Zero 0.6. 0.8. I just needed this. Now you see a complete Taylor diagram. You can also customize it. You can change it from 180 degree. Just double click on this. Here you see different angular outer. You can change the scale 0 degree to 180 degree or 360 degree as you need. Now I want to change this tick mark inside of the figure, so go to this line and ticks, style, in apply, okay, and also this tick, double click on it, line and ticks, in apply, okay. Now we can export this map by clicking on right side of the mouse, export graph, and save it where you want to save it. Now let's show you a preview how it will look like. And this is our Taylor diagram. I hope this video will help you to plot a Taylor diagram easily. Thank you for your patience.